Hey y'all, it's Betsy, and today is Bliss Box unboxing. So if you're not familiar with what a Bliss Box is, there is a little boutique across the street from me called Baubles and Bliss. I know the owners really well. And they put out a monthly subscription box, and it has some fun stuff in it. The boxes are $55 plus tax and shipping if you don't live in our area. I will link them down in the description box down below. Now, if you do order off this link, it is an affiliate code, so I earn a small commission, but you don't have to order off of it, and I pay for the Bliss boxes myself. They're $55 plus tax, so for me it's like $59.87. If you live out of the area, there is shipping on it. Now remember that these do sell out rather quickly, so if you're interested in it, you want to go ahead and get it. But as I said, you don't have to if you don't want to. I think these are fun. I used to do makeup subscription boxes, but I don't need any more. And a lot of the times whenever I'd get stuff in that, I would just give it away because it wasn't like, I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, that type of thing. So I like the idea of a monthly subscription box, and this is something that all of the items in here are typically very useful for me. Now, as you can see, this video is going up on Tuesday. I have been out of commission for the past couple of weeks. I went to my doctor. Y'all know I have fibromyalgia, and if y'all aren't familiar with my main channel, I'll kind of go over it. I was switched medicines from Lyrica to Cymbalta, so I've had some side effects and things like that, so I haven't felt really good. So we are going to get caught up on the Disney tutorials and things like that. So thank y'all for being patient. So let's get into unboxing the box. I get so excited for these. Okay. They're so hard to open though. There we go. So this is the April Bliss box, and this is their favorite things because this is both Amber and Kim's birthday month, and they are the girl owners there. Her husband is Britt. They all three of them own it together. So they all, like, they did more of their favorite things this month. So first thing I got is a makeup eraser, which and that's in that Tiffany blue turquoise color. Isn't that pretty? I have the Ulta brand of these, and they work great at removing your makeup, so I'm super excited to get and try the actual makeup eraser brand. Let's see what else we got. Liquid Xanax. Oh, it's a bath bomb. So it's a liquid Xanax bath bomb. So these are supposed to take and relax you, which I definitely can use. So, and y'all know I love taking a bath. What else do we have in here? Oh, so cute. Look at these. They're leopard and hot pink leather earrings. Those are super duper cute. And y'all know I love me some leopard. This watch band came from over there too. And pink is my color. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's a purse hook, and then it's one of the snap baubles that they make, and it has my initial in leopard print. That's adorable. Let's see, what else did we get? Oh, some new bracelets. So what colors? Oh, those are pretty. Okay, so we got a baby pink, this gray iridescent, and then this jade green. So that adds more to my collection of bracelets. What else? Oh, cute. So it's a little crossbody, and it has a place for your phone. Oh, this will be perfect to bring to Disney, and it's leopard print. I may have to decorate that. See, that's absolutely adorable. That's gonna be perfect for our Disneyland trip because it's tiny enough to put everything in. And then last but not least, we have a kimono. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh yeah, that's actually super duper cute. But I think that would work for just about any size. Now it doesn't really go with my outfit I'm wearing today, but that is super cute. So as you can see, for $55, there's a good variety of stuff in there and it's not too expensive. And if you're wondering about my t-shirt, it says Fiesta, like there's no mañana. I bought that at Baubles and Bliss as well. Bracelets, watch band, and these super cute lacy earrings, and they're lightweight because y'all know I can't wear a heavy earring. So this month was absolutely fantastic. I love every single thing in it. I cannot wait to get some use out of this new stuff, and we will be doing the May Bliss box unboxing next when it comes out. I've already pre-ordered mine. And the theme for that one is summer vibes, so I'm super duper excited for that. And so remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Other than that, don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as my main channel, which is just Cuttin Corners Vinyl. We do all the in-depth tutorials and all that fun kind of stuff there. So I guess that's it. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.